dirty clothes on the ground, I pretend I don't see. Candy wrappers are found between the bed and the sheets. My succulents died a million times. Now where do I get my...
Boarding our flight to Vancouver from London Gatwick. So what do we have here?
We have a flight company, British Airways bag. Do you want me to open it?
Yes, please.
That's okay. Can I just say, it's a lot harder to open than it looks because it's got plastic stuff. So this is not entertaining.
That's alright. We'll just wait.
Edit it out. Lip balm.
Lip balm.
Oh, pulse point, relax. So you're gonna have, I think it's known as lavender or lavender.
Show it to the camera.
That's it. It smells lovely actually. So that's that. You almost lost that. Okay, next. You've got a couple of earplugs.
Next.
Which you put in your plugs, ears. Socks. Mask.
Socks and mask. Is that everything in there?
No, there's more. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it blind. and think what it is.
Okay.
So, what's it? Moisturiser.
It is a moisturiser. Yay!
I got this. This is a pen.
It is a pen. Congratulations.
It's a toilet brush.
Close. It's a toothbrush.
Oh.
Anything else?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Well done.
That's it.
Here we are in Vancouver Airport. It's all very green.
Fir trees.
Hi there, so we are now at the end of our few days in Canada and we're in Vancouver, ready to go back. We've just gone through security and we're trying to figure out what the deal is with the lounge because the guy stamped on our boarding passes Plaza Premium Lounge, but I can see that there's a Cathay Pacific Lounge here, so we're going to go and see if we can get into that and if it exists. Okay, so the Cathay Lounge is shut, which is very disappointing. So now we have to go to the Plaza Premium. Okay, so where are we? Where have we ended up?
So we're in the Plaza Premium Lounge in Vancouver Airport.
So the Cathay one was closed.
Cathay was closed. Here, it's fine.
It's a temporary lounge.
It's a temporary lounge, it's a bit open, it's a bit noisy, and I was hoping to have a little office space. You know, in some of the lounges you get like a quiet office space. Because I have a little bit of work I wanted to do. So, a bit disappointed.
It's also quite a basic selection of food, and you can get beer and wine, but if you want Prosecco or other drinks you have to pay. So it's not really equivalent to a BA lounge, which is a bit funny.